Hi everyone, this is Passive Income Express coming to you with another video of how to make money on your smartphone. This is the Luno wallet. Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to purchase Bitcoin. Now this is the wallet. It is going for 8 rands if you're in South Africa. So go grab it, guys. And you just have to click on the XPR, the Ripple. That's how easy it is to purchase. And just click on buy Ripple. That is how easy it is to purchase. And there in my ZAR wallet, there's 100 rands, so I'll be showing you how easy it is. Just pick it. That's it. Invest, guys, invest. The Bitcoin is rising at the moment. It's rising. From 2020, we've seen how it has risen. So in 2021, we're expecting more. So I'm going to confirm now. And that is exactly how you do it. You just purchase the Ripple. And you enter your PIN. Amazing. That's how easy it is. And yes, mission is a success. I have bought the Ripple. And I'm gonna wait for it until it makes a lot of money for me. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please check out my other videos on how to make a passive income on your smartphone. See you next time.